In the competitive world of real estate, generating quality leads and increasing revenue are top priorities. With the digital landscape continuously evolving, it's crucial to adapt and implement effective online strategies to stay ahead. So, how can real estate professionals effectively generate leads and boost revenue in the online space? Let's explore proven strategies that can make a significant impact. 1. Optimize your website for lead generation. Your website serves as the digital storefront for your real estate business. Ensure it's optimized to capture leads effectively. Implement clear call-to-action buttons, offer valuable resources like market reports or home valuation tools, and make the contact process seamless for potential clients. 2. Leverage pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising allows you to target specific keywords and demographics, ensuring your ads reach individuals actively searching for real estate services. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can drive targeted traffic to your website, increasing the likelihood of conversions. 3. Implement lead qualification systems. Not all inquiries are equal. Implement lead qualification systems, such as AI-powered chatbots, to instantly engage with visitors, qualify their needs, and schedule appointments. This approach ensures you're focusing on prospects with genuine interest, improving efficiency and conversion rates. 4. Build strategic partnerships. Forming partnerships with mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and other professionals can be a valuable source of referrals. By networking within the industry, you can tap into a steady stream of potential clients and expand your reach. 5. Monitor and adjust your strategies. Regularly monitor the performance of your lead generation strategies. Utilize analytics tools to track website traffic, ad performance, and lead conversion rates. Adjust your tactics based on data insights to continually improve and adapt to market changes. Ready to elevate your real estate business? Implement these strategies to generate quality leads and boost your revenue online. For expert assistance, contact agency name today and take the first step toward growing your business. Remember, in the digital age, a strong online presence is key to your real estate success. Invest in effective lead generation strategies and watch your business thrive.